Is your battery life burning too quickly, or your system is going to sleep at the wrong time and you actually want to figure out what is going on? This video is going to help you. Come with me, CMD command. Like this, you can see your battery report this way and see everything that is going on with your system. So open your CMD command. Let me show you how you can do that. So I'm going to do this. All right, so type in this command, I should have that command, powercfg, hit enter, and then to tell you some of the sub commands that you can actually run to be able to take care of your system's battery issues. So here now, you can know what is going on with your system battery issues. First thing is to generate a report using this command. You can just copy and paste, right? Copy it and then paste it here, right? Then hit enter and wait for the report. Now, in my own case, I've already generated the report. This is the report here. So after the report is generated, right, it's going to send into this folder. Go to your C drive. Now, if you go to your C drive, click on this PC and then select C drive. When you select C drive, double click on it, then go to Windows. When you go to Windows, System 32, scroll down, select System 32, then under System 32, look for the file name that was shown on your system. Look at it, System 32, then go to the file name. The file name is batteryreport.html. So look for it, go to B, you should see it right there. So look at it here. So by the time you click on it, it will open and then you have your report in this way. So look at the report. Now go down, you will see how your system battery is functioning. So look at it, the start time, the time that you used your system and all that, and how the battery got drained and all that, the charging and all that, everything is going to show right here. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you also want to be part of our live sessions, register for our CompTIA A+ course and other networking and Windows system courses, you can actually do that by using the available means to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching and see you in our live sessions.